Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make these peanut clusters. And let's start off with a list of ingredients. Now let's get started. Let's line a pan with parchment paper. We're actually going to be lining two and just setting those aside. And now in a medium bowl, add in your raisins and your peanuts. And then I'm just going to be leaving those there, and I'm going to be going to the stove and melting the chocolate. Add in your shortening and melt that on medium-low heat. And then add in your chocolate chips and also melt those on medium-low heat. And just make sure that you are mixing constantly. And don't overcook your chocolate or else this will not work. Now we're just going to be adding the chocolate onto our nuts and raisin mixture and mixing that together. And now by the tablespoon, add on your peanut clusters and place them in the fridge for 3 hours to set. And then they look like that when they're done. I ate one. That's why there's one missing. They're so good. And then you just leave them in the fridge for storing, and I'm just using my parchment paper here to separate each row. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Thanks for watching. Bye!